dive into Dragonfly and see how its drones are doing in markets around the world. From quadcopters to flight training, software for tracking, live streaming, and data collection. As one of the world's longest-running multi-rotor drone manufacturers, Dragonfly produces a diverse range of UAVs. These include heavy-lift and modular platforms such as the Commander 3 XL and heavy-lift drone, high-endurance systems like the Commander 2 and Tango 2, and specialized solutions such as the medical response drone for cold chain medical deliveries. It also offers advanced sensor systems, including long-range LiDAR for precision mapping and surveying. Supporting its hardware, Dragonfly provides the Universal Control System, a handheld ground control solution for aerial and ground robots, featuring advanced flight planning and automation. Its surveyor software enables efficient mission planning and high-accuracy 2D and 3D mapping, while the Vital Intelligence platform delivers touchless health assessment using machine vision across ground and aerial applications. Services center on custom drone engineering, operations, and data solutions. As a contract engineering partner to government, enterprise, academic, and commercial clients, it delivers end-to-end services including hardware and software design, system integration with leading platforms, 3D modeling, ITAR and controlled goods management, and ongoing testing, training, and support. Tailored training programs cater to both new and advanced UAV operators, as well as flight services conducted by certified pilots specializing in public safety, emergency response, industrial, agricultural, and environmental operations. With more than 20 years of experience, Dragonfly primarily serves military and government, public safety, energy, environmental, and agricultural markets, focusing mainly on North America. Its operations include manufacturing and engineering facilities in Canada and logistics and storage capabilities in the United States. While the drone market is highly competitive and increasingly dominated by consumer and prosumer platforms, many of which are produced overseas, Dragonfly differentiates itself by focusing on niche, security-sensitive, and highly customized solutions. Growing regulatory clarity, national security concerns, and demand for specialized capabilities continue to support a healthy market habitat for Dragonfly. The commercial drone market presents a significant growth opportunity, as drones continue to expand from military origins into commercial and civil government, especially for use in security, agriculture, inspections, and logistics. Key applications include mapping, surveying, inspection, delivery, monitoring, spraying, and filming across industries such as public safety, construction, healthcare, energy, and transportation. Drone delivery is projected to be the fastest-growing segment, with strong job creation potential, though regulatory challenges remain. Dragonfly's growth strategy focuses on positioning itself as an end-to-end drone solutions platform, integrating hardware, sensors, software, AI, and data services to solve complex customer problems. So in addition to growth through new product development, there'll also be deeper engagement with decision-makers, vertical-specific solutions, and acquisitions that expand capabilities and geographic reach. A great example of this in action involves an agreement with Autonomy Labs to develop an aerial demining deployment system, combining Dragonfly's heavy-lift drone with Autonomy's MAGIC mesh-based technology to safely detonate and neutralize landmines. Dragonfly also delivered its modular Flex FPV drone systems to a major U.S. military prime contractor supporting Allied land systems operations. Originally developed from frontline experience in Ukraine, the Flex FPV platform lives up to its name by being highly flexible due to it being high-speed, modular, and capable of carrying a wide range of payloads with autonomous capabilities. In autonomous systems, Paladine AI helped integrate its Pilot AI software into Dragonfly's UAV platforms. This edge-based software enables multiple drones to operate collaboratively as coordinated teams under a single operator, adding autonomous swarm functionality, sensor fusion, autonomous tracking, and enhanced ISR capabilities. Dragonfly leadership noted that this integration brings advanced autonomy features, previously limited to larger and more expensive systems, into its modular, mission-adaptable drone platforms. Flex FPV drones also gained altitude with U.S. Air Force Special Operations Command units in partnership with Del Mar Aerospace Corporation. This program includes hands-on instruction in FPV drone assembly, repair, flight operations, and mission planning, conducted under realistic operational conditions. Further technological credibility and confidence came from a successful demonstration of the Drone Recharging Operational Payload System, DROPS, during the U.S. Army's Sustainment Modernization Experiment 2025. Integrated with the Commander 3XL drone, the system achieved a 100% success rate in autonomous payload deployment, recovery, and recharging, showcasing its potential to transform tactical resupply and contested logistics. The Commander 3XL is now DROPS-enabled, with additional Dragonfly platforms undergoing similar upgrades. The Commander 3XL platform is increasingly being adopted by U.S. Department of Defense customers and major defense contractors for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and logistics missions. Equally as important, Commander 3XL, Flex FPV, and other Dragonfly drones help meet demand for North American-developed platforms amid evolving security requirements from the U.S. government and allied countries. In the broader industry extending to the civilian side, the U.S. Department of Transportation has proposed new rules to allow drones to operate beyond visual line of sight, BVLOS, without individual waivers. This regulatory shift would significantly expand commercial drone use cases, including medical deliveries, agriculture, energy, manufacturing, and logistics, while introducing new safety and traffic management requirements. Industry leaders have praised the proposal as a critical step toward scaling safe, widespread drone operations. At the same time, Canada has announced a $2 billion military aid package to Ukraine, including more than $220 million dedicated to drone, counter-drone, and electronic warfare capabilities. Since Dragonfly is a Saskatchewan-based drone manufacturer, its systems are a prime fit for the package. Canada has also announced a landmark $80 billion long-term defense investment package aimed at strengthening national security through technological modernization, domestic manufacturing, and unmanned aerial systems. The strategy represents a generational shift in federal defense procurement, emphasizing sovereign supply chains, alongside interoperability with NATO and Five Eyes partners. Analysts estimate that at least 20% of this funding will be directed toward advanced battlefield systems, with drones expected to capture a significant share, opening another immense opportunity for Dragonfly in home skies, as it has successfully integrated Department of National Defense specified secure communications systems into its flagship drones, strengthening its eligibility for upcoming federal procurements that prioritize secure, interoperable, and domestically produced systems. Canada's defense priorities under the Our North Strong and Free policy encompass border security and Arctic sovereignty. The policy shift also reinforces Canada's industrial and technological benefits framework, favoring domestic manufacturers with strong IP control and resilient supply chains. Dragonfly's ownership of core airframe and avionics IP, combined with established Five Eyes partnerships, gives it a competitive advantage. Back in the U.S., plenty of exposure comes from Pentagon events, U.S. Department of Defense technology readiness exercises, and the U.S. Army's Sustainment Modernization Experiment. To pick up the pace in manufacturing capacity, Dragonfly has grown its U.S. manufacturing footprint with AS 9100 and ISO-certified facilities to meet rising demand for domestically produced drones, aligning with U.S. and Canadian efforts to reduce reliance on foreign supply chains. Dragonfly has also been selected to establish on-site FPV drone manufacturing within overseas U.S. Forces facilities. To accelerate adoption of Dragonfly systems within U.S. and allied defense markets even more, a new partnership with Global Ordnance, a U.S. Defense Logistics Agency prime contractor, speeds things up. Under the agreement, Global Ordnance will act as a U.S. defense partner, supporting manufacturing, supply chain integration, regulatory compliance, and mission-specific customization. Moving outside of North America, Dragonfly secured an initial military order for its Commander 3XL platform through a recognized defense contractor in the Asia-Pacific region. While customer details were not disclosed, the order represents the first phase of a formal evaluation process that could lead to broader, multi-phase adoption. The selected configuration includes AES-256 secure communications, a rugged ground control station, and various payloads. To explore defense and security initiatives across the Asia-Pacific region, Dragonfly began a collaborative framework with Babcock International Group and Critical Infrastructure Technologies. The arrangement, formalized through a non-disclosure agreement, brings together complementary capabilities spanning unmanned aerial systems, defense engineering, and digital mission architectures. Under the framework, Dragonfly will contribute its NDAA-compliant unmanned aerial systems, including the Commander 3XL platform. Babcock International Group, a UK-based defense company, adds extensive expertise in engineering, naval and fleet support, training, and large-scale defense program delivery for government and military customers. Critical Infrastructure Technologies, through its subsidiary CI Tech International Limited, provides digital architectures, integrated sensor platforms, and decision support systems tailored for national security environments. The companies plan to jointly assess opportunities aligned with regional priorities, including defense modernization, maritime and border security, disaster response, protection of critical infrastructure, and multi-domain situational awareness in support of Asia-Pacific governments. Then, since platforms also offer dual-use benefits, extending military-grade capabilities into emergency response, disaster relief, and public safety markets, Dragonfly has also been selected by the Cochise County Sheriff's Department to support a new drone pilot program for southern border surveillance. Aligned with a U.S. executive order focused on strengthening domestic drone leadership, the program will deploy Dragonfly drones for extended surveillance, rapid response, and nighttime operations. The systems integrate with existing law enforcement technologies, including team awareness kit networks, positioning the initiative as a model for technology-enabled border enforcement. For healthcare logistics, progress has seen successful proof-of-concept drone flights with Mass General Brigham Home Hospital, demonstrating the feasibility of drone delivery of medical supplies within hospital infrastructure in the Boston area. This project highlights the potential for drones to reduce delays caused by traffic and outdated delivery methods, and represents a first step toward broader home healthcare delivery. Then, to show the Commander 3XL's use for connectivity, a second purchase order from a Fortune 50 telecommunications company for multiple Commander 3XLs involves the drones being integrated with Unmanned Systems and Solutions (LEAP) tether system, providing continuous power and high-bandwidth data connectivity, enabling persistent aerial operations for emergency management, disaster recovery, and telecommunications infrastructure restoration. Indeed, repeat orders like this spur on customer and investor confidence in Dragonfly's NDAA-compliant drone systems, potential to fly to profitability in all kinds of sectors. Now, if you like learning about delightful drone stocks like Dragonfly, check out recent uploads. You'll likely find something you like, which the algorithm didn't recommend. Also, please like and share this video on places like Reddit, X, Telegram, Discord, StockTwits, and your own group chats. Sharing and liking the video also helps informative videos like this come out faster to people like you who will enjoy them. And as always, for more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.